Congratulations on your purchase of CabLED indoor-outdoor lighting strips. Please follow these simple instructions for your installation. Check to make sure all of the components of your CabLED package are included and intact. Gather the necessary tools in order to install the product as indicated in your Quick Start Guide. Locate the power supply outlet that you'd like to use. First, clear a path to the outlet. Ensure you have the proper outlet type. For outdoor applications, a ground fault or GFCI outlet must be used. For indoor applications, determine whether you will use a switched or non-switched outlet. Please note that extension cords or outlet expansion devices are not recommended for use with your CabLED installation. Lay out the basic installation plan. Measure all surfaces and ensure you have enough product to cover the overall length of the job. Once you have all relevant surfaces measured, mark them to indicate placement and location of the CabLED lighting strips and connectors. Plan out the locations of any connectors in relation to the 7-inch cut segments and the surface, ensuring the lighting strip is centered within the surface area. Mount the channeling. Strategically mount the channeling strips using the double-sided tape provided. To obtain optimum adhesion, the bonding surface must be clean and dry. Make sure the channeling is at least a ½ inch shorter than the CabLED to allow room for each connection. Cut the CabLED lighting strip. Cut the LED strip on the nearest cut line using a pair of sharp scissors. You can use the jig included in the kit to ensure a straight and even cut. Install the connectors. In your CabLED kit, you will find several different connectors. Now, depending on your lighting project's layout, you may or may not use all of the connectors provided. The power supply connector. Find the end of the LED strip that will be installed nearest to the outlet. With the LED side facing up, slide the strip onto the power supply connector until it reaches the end. Now make sure the notches on the side of the CabLED are fully inserted inside the connector. Using pliers, apply even pressure to the bottom and top halves of the connector to properly make the connection. The inline dimmer. The inline on-off dimmer switch fits between the power supply connector and the power supply. Unplug the power supply from the AC outlet before connecting. Match the icons on the power supply connector with the icons on the inline dimmer. The jumper cable. With the LED side facing up, insert one strip into one side of the jumper cable and push to the end. Repeat for the other side. Make sure the notches on the side of the CabLED are fully inserted inside the connector. Using pliers, apply even pressure to the bottom and top halves of the connectors to properly make the connection. The end cap. The end cap protects the end of the LED strip and does not have to be compressed. Test the assembly. Prior to testing, double-check all of your connections to make sure they're secure. Connect the other end of the power supply connector to the power supply by matching the icons, and plug the power supply into the outlet to test your assembly. Mount the CabLED lighting strip. Install the LED strip by pressing it firmly into each channeling strip, ensuring that the strip lies flat. Plug the power supply into the outlet to connect to power. That's it! You're all finished. Step back and enjoy your CabLED lighting strips for years to come.